Hey, so check this out. This is the NOCO GB40. As many of you guys know that we've got a CVO 2023 and a half that Biker Eye has, and we've been gone for the last little bit. Bike's been down in the garage. There is no electricity down there for us to use, so we can't put it on a trickle charge. So the bike's dead. Everyone knows that these new bikes just suck up the power. So we've gone out and we've bought the NOCO Boost Plus, the GB40, and it cost us 98 US dollars or 149 Canadian. It's the exact same one as Harley sells, just rebranded for Harley. And they sell that for 145 US dollars or 189 Canadian. Not only will jump your bike, it will recharge your smartphone. It's a 100 lumen LED flashlight. So when you have to get up in the middle of the night and stroll over to the outhouses at the chip, you got a great light to take with you. It will jump a 6-liter gas engine or a 3-liter diesel engine. Like, this damn thing's pretty powerful. It's got 1,000 cranking amps. And so we're going to unpack this thing. So here we go. Looks like we're ready to start. Like I said, you got to be careful with opening these in case you have to take it back. So we'll get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Oh, here we go. It's time to get things. Looks well constructed. Piece for it to bite on. That's awesome. I hate these damn things when they bite me instead. Each side comes with a USB cable, USB-C, which is awesome, and they're getting more and more useful. And here's the beast itself. Here's the beast itself. It's got your 12-volt out here. This will just plug into, I guess. USB-C there for power in. USB port there for power out. I thought it'd be a power out with the USB-C as well, but it's not. It's a USB-A. And what else is in here? We don't need that. Let's get rid of that. Instruction book's gone. Nope, everything looks like it's good now. We just have this. This as well comes with it. These guys have been around since 1914, apparently. I'm pretty sure they weren't jumping these things in 1914, but there you go. There's the set, and we're going to go down to the bike and jump the bike so we can go for a ride.